Hey guys, Eagle here. So today I'm going to be talking about the Kumeu Classic Car and Hot Rod Festival which we attended. The Kumeu Showgrounds are roughly 30 kilometers northwest of Auckland City, and it's made up of 3 or 4 large open fields which the show cars fill up rather fast. One of the objectives today, other than look at some mint American muscle, was to track down some Hot Wheels, as in previous years sellers have set up shop at the showgrounds. And as luck would have it, as we walked through the entrance and paid our entrance fee, we spotted a big bin of Hot Wheels. We bought quite a few cars from the lady who ran the stall, which will be shown in the 3 separate episodes showing what each of us found. Many small businesses come to shows like these to promote their products and services, and after walking around for 2 minutes we came across another Hot Wheels seller, who we recognised from last year. He had loads of goodies, but we only ended up buying 2 vehicles from him. I'll just leave you with a quick slideshow and video of his stall. At the 3rd and 4th stall, which is a little out of shot to the right, we found a few goodies which we'll show you guys in upcoming episodes. And at the last stall we saw, there was nothing of interest to us, but these Johnny Lightnings look pretty sweet. So that concludes the Hot Wheels part of the episode. Cobra Falcon and I will each upload episodes of our hauls from the fair. I'll leave you with some cool photos and videos which we took at the rest of the show. Thanks for watching, everyone.